And we also have another local law, it's called Local Law 111, I don't know if you're familiar with that. It came into effect in June. Basically, all the common areas of your buildings has to be tested. And we know that's gonna be a big, big project because usually your buildings are built before 1959 and under. So these buildings that are built before 1959 and under, the common areas most likely never got renovated. So this is also gonna be another big cost. How are you going about Local Law 111?
So if it's a building that we own, or we're buying currently, we're underwriting our numbers to the building, including all these tests and costs of these tests. So before we buy the building, now we're going to assume if we paid $1 million for the building and it costs $100,000 to remediate and test, we really paid $1.1 million for the building. So our offers will be lower on the new properties and existing properties that we own that got caught up with this law. We're maintaining for our buildings as well as our clients' buildings a budget where we, everything is kept to a minimum, and we're not, just hiring the most expensive vendor. We're budget conscious and budget, we're deciding based on the budgets and what it costs, and obviously what the penalties would be for not doing it is what comes into our decision.